Hello everyone, this is Sean with P226 Tactical, and today we're doing a quick field strip of the Sig P226 Legion. First thing we're going to do is make sure that the weapon is safe. I'm going to press the mag release and pull the magazine from the mag well. Next, we're going to lock the slide back to the rear. Simply pull back on the slide while pushing up on the slide stop. Once this is done, we can inspect visually and physically the chamber to make sure that there are no rounds in the chamber. Next, pull down on the takedown lever. Once this is done, we can pull back on the slide and then let the entire assembly move forward off of the frame. Now, pull the recoil spring out, set it to the side, then push down and remove the barrel. This completes disassembly. Be sure to check the links below for more information on your favorite guns. Now for reassembly, we start with a slide, reinsert the barrel with the lug facing down. Insert the recoil spring with the spring coil toward the front of the muzzle. Compress the spring and make sure that it lands on the shelf under the lug. Now, line up the grooves on the frame with the slide and pull it all the way back to slide lock once again. Here, close the takedown lever and drop the slide. We'll do a function test. Again, making sure that the chamber is empty, pointing the weapon in a safe direction, pressing the trigger and holding it back. Rack the slide, let the trigger out, compress again. This weapon is functioning fine. I'm going to do one last check. We're reinserting the magazine, pulling the slide to the rear and making sure that it locks. This has been Sean with P226 Tactical. Thanks for watching. Please be sure to check out our website and links below for further information on your favorite guns.